Hi, I'm Vandana Rao from Mumbai. I would like to share about my experience with the GG teaching techniques that I have been using daily for my health or some other manifestations which I would always wanted to get it done earlier, but I was finding it quite difficult to do that time. I would first like to share why I had started using these techniques and what had happened to me. I have learned a number of modalities in the past and was trying to heal my health and other situations in my life, relationship, and a number of things, but I didn't find 100% success in that. I was going through a lot of mental trauma, emotional trauma, but I was not showing it to the people. People wouldn't know what was happening within me. There are a number of things, like a lot of people do undergo a situation in their life, but they are not able to express it fully, and they feel as if they are locked up within themselves. And I was going through the same state of mind. I was like asking out into the universe, is there some healer, is there somebody who would try to teach me to do something about my situations? And the Manoj Kumar Nair was the first person who has actually answered my prayers through GG teaching techniques, which he had conducted in the month of April 2020 for the whole of humanity, I would say, and such a wonderful thing to do. In fact, in this lockdown, we had a nice opportunity to go through these online teachings that he was conducting very patiently for everybody, and also answering to a number of questions people were asking about it. I am doing these daily concentration exercises, which includes numbers and some other ways of like opening up your consciousness. It's like connecting your outer reality, whatever is happening in the outside world, that has some connection with what's actually happening within you, and how to relate this with the outer reality and your inner reality is what is being taught in this technique. And it actually helps us to open up your the way you look into the world, the way you look about yourself. You would realize where you are wrong, how to rectify it, and that how, if what kind of an effect it happens in the outside world. This factor alone makes you a successful person, and you are able to heal yourself, heal your situations. You're able to do a number of tasks very easily and effortlessly. You get a very good result. You are successful in number of decisions that you're taking, and your rapport with your colleagues or with other people is very good. It improves a lot. You are able to live a wonderful life if you follow it in the way he guides you to follow it. Another thing is, in this technique, it's not only for the benefit of mankind, it's also for Mother Earth, for the plants, for the animal kingdom. It's for the best of all concerned. So it's a wonderful journey. And my experience about is, in the context of health, is I had gone through a lot of health issues which was not being solved by other modalities. And using GG technique, it had a speedy recovery for me, and I have come out through number of issues. I'm feeling very energetic and very nice, and it has also opened number of divine doors for me to like go out and do a number of things, which earlier I used to feel like as if I'm locked up and I'm not able to do whatever, or there is nothing coming out of me. So this technique is wonderful. I want people to really go for these GG techniques. The numbers that are given are very very powerful, and I am very very grateful to Manoj, who has come up to help, to guide us, I would say. Rather, it's a guidance, and we are the ones who have to do for ourselves. And this is the way we become stronger, we become empowered and independent. And I'm very, very thankful to him for whatever he's been doing. God bless him.